So last episode here for the Mark II. There's the flock glove box we looked at earlier, riveted with the riveting machine that I demonstrated. Furflex short nap moquette wool cloth, which is 100% wool, and that fits around the door apertures. Again, all the components that are necessary to cover the panels. There's those pieces, those filler pieces that we looked at on the computer earlier, and the hardware, we showed you that. Headliner is sewn, beautiful, lovely, high quality wool cloth imported from England, made up in Yorkshire as it was for Jaguar, with these listings sewn in. There's nothing, you can't wrinkle wool cloth. We send them out packaged like that. There's no problem with that. This all gets pulled out when it's stretched in the car. They look beautiful. I love when we do them in house. They're so satisfying to see them come together. There's the wool cloth below the rear window, and in the kit you get the cover for the Sunvisors. The covers, meaning two, there they are, for the Sunvisors. If you purchase extra option that we have is the brand new Sunvisors, which we strongly recommend. Most Mark II Sunvisors are pretty thrashed after the amount of time. I was born in 1962 myself, so I know at 54 years you start to wear out a little. So those were made of a soft polyfoam. They deteriorate in time, especially because people push down on them. What tends to happen, same with the E-types, this chrome in here tends to freeze on the steel, and you have to put more and more pressure to push against them. They become soft like a Raggedy Ann doll. So it is nice to get the brand new ones. Unfortunately, we moved ahead here with this video without these being done, but this gets routed, let into this brand new mirror, and then fully covered. And this is a beautiful, dense urethane that's long lasting. This will last 25, 30 years before it deteriorates. Longer than that, I would imagine. And so it is nice. Otherwise, you're taking the covers within the kit and risking the results on poor substrates. So we do recommend the purchase of these extra Sunvisors. I do want to conclude by saying that all our products are unconditionally guaranteed to fit and be exactly as original to the highest show standards. We've carefully developed them over the last, the patents go back 30, 35 years. We've been making Mark II interiors longer than Jaguar themselves, and in North America for 24 years coming up. So we are proud of our products, unconditional guarantee, exactly as original, and we hope you enjoy the presentation, and hope you hear from you soon.